Hello everyone, my name is Kanika and I want to share something really close to my heart today. As an Indian living in Canada, I know how overwhelming life can get. Managing work deadlines, household chores, taking care of kids, and trying to stay healthy. It's a lot to juggle. But here's what I've learned. Real change begins when you decide to prioritize yourself. Yoga has completely transformed my life, from constant stress and a hectic routine to finding balance, strength to handle the everyday hustle, and peace of mind. It's been a journey I never imagined possible. And that's why we are on a mission at Aikam Yoga to make this transformation possible for everyone. Our yoga fitness classes are designed to help you release stress, feel healthier, and find happiness in the little things. And if yoga could change my life, I truly believe it can change yours too. Let's take this journey together at Aikam Yoga, where change begins one breath at a time.